So you have created your very first Discord account, and now you are on the chase to find some interesting servers to sign up for. Hejsan hej, I am PixelPia, and today I want to show you how you can find servers and how it works when you get invited to a server. But before we work on the computer, let's talk about servers. There are two types of servers, public ones and private ones. And just as the name says, the private ones are ones you have to be invited to. You can find public servers either by using the app itself or on their website. If you log into Discord on the website, it looks exactly the same on both. If you are using your Discord app on a mobile device, it is a little bit more complicated. The app don't have the search for servers built in on mobile, and you can go using, for example, your Chrome browser in desktop mode. But the disadvantage is that the website isn't built for mobile, and it will be really hard to see everything. So now we're gonna move over to my Discord app. So here we are. I'm using my app in this case. And as you can see, there is absolutely no servers connected. They would all be in this part. And to search for servers, you go to this bottom here. It looks like a little compass and it says explore public servers. And here you can search among all the public servers. But you can also find servers in one of these specific categories: gaming, music, education, science and tech, entertainment, and then they have student hubs, which is very specific, where you can find study groups, clubs, and friends in the student hub for your school. But let's go back to home. And let's say I am interested in graphics. So I can search here by writing the word graphics. 171 communities for graphics. So most of the servers usually have a little description here so you can see what they are about. And look at this, for example, SS Graphics, the official server of SS Graphics. Our theme is graphic design and video editing. Learn with us, have fun here. And it has 4,864 members and 119 of them are online. So if I'm interested in this server, all I have to do is to click this image, and now it takes me to Welcome to SS Graphics, the best place to learn design and improve yourself. Top things to do here, and this shows 4 of the different channels they have on the server. If I want to join from here, I can just click on one of these. But if I'm not sure, down at the bottom here is I just look around for now. So let's click on that. And here we have inside the server, we have different giveaways. We have the entrance where we can start in the welcome if I join. If I at this point would be interested to join this server, I would click up here, join server. But I can also go back and search for other servers. So that's how you can find a public server. But as I said, we also have private servers. And for those, you need to get an invite. And I have 2 servers, and I have actually sent myself an invite to each of those 2, so we can look at how it looks when you get an invite. So here we have the very first invite, we have a link here, and it's always discord.gg/ and then this very cryptic collection of letters and sometimes numbers, which is the specific server I am invited to. So let's see what happens when I click this link. So it opens the invite to a Swedish Fika, my podcast. So I can choose, in this case, to join or say no thanks. So let's join this server. I end up in welcome, which is the first place. And down at the bottom here, it says you must complete a few more steps before you can talk. So let's click complete. And here it says before you can talk here, you'll need to complete the required steps below. Read and agree to the server's rules. I only have 5 rules on this server. And since I have read them already, all I have to do is I have read and agreed to the rules and submit. Now I have access to all the different channels. And as you can see up in the left column here, I now have one of my servers showing up. So let's go back and find the second invitation. So now we're going to take a look at the second server. And here you have the invite, discord.gg, and the code for the server. Let's click on that. And again, I can choose join internet and social media for beginners or say no thanks. We are going to join it. So now I have joined 2 servers. I have Swedish Fika, and I have this one, internet for social media for beginners. So let's take a look at what I can do here. We have the welcome, we have the readme with some instructions. I have introduction. This is where I should introduce myself. And then we have access community. And this is the difference between this server and the other one. Here you have choose your role. This server has a lot of channels, and maybe not all of the channels are of interest to you. So here it is divided into 4 different roles to choose between. And you can choose 1, 2, or all of them. And the roles are just social for just general chat, social media for all social media platforms, Canva Love for inspiration and talk about the graphics app Canva, and Discord discussion for talk about Discord. And underneath you have these emojis, and I can choose my role by just clicking on it. This is for just general chat, and if I click on that, all of a sudden another category of channels show up. General, chat, off topic, and a voice channel. I can also add social media here, and as you see, a lot of different channels show up. Maybe I'm not so interested in social media, so I unclick that and I'm back to where I was before. And at any point in time, if you later on want to change your roles, you can always go back to access community and click on or off. We have Canva and we have Discord. So I hope this will help you find servers that interest you. And who knows, maybe I will see you on one of my servers. I have the invites to both of them in the description of this video. Until next time. Hej då!